Hello everyone, welcome to Gary Mac Studio. Here's a lamp that I made. I got in a golf cart and went around through the neighborhood and I picked up this piece of cherry and it was hollow on the inside. And I thought it was interesting, so I picked it up and I split it and left the inside of that hollow. And I thought, well, I'll try and make a lamp out of this thing. So what I did, I took these LED chase lights and I hid them in behind. I'll show you in just a minute how I positioned those lights. But it'll do all. You can program it. It's got a remote control, and you can program these lights to do just about anything. They'll change colors. They can be solid colors, or you can, you can make them look like lightning, or just about anything. But see how I got my finger back in that void? There's not a lens on it. There's not a glass or anything over it. It's just hollow. And if you look here, you can see you can see it's just a hollow void, and I hid those lights back in behind. See right there where I hid them behind that curved part in that void. And boy, at nighttime it makes just a mesmerizing light. You can sit there and I have to turn it off because I watch it instead of the TV. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful color. And the inside of it, I didn't do anything to the inside of that dark part in there, except I put a high gloss coating on it that would reflect the lights. It would just make it shine, look like a waterfall or something. Anyway, that's my lamp. It's about 18 inches tall, and I've got one out in the shop that's about 4 foot tall and about 2.5 foot wide I'm going to make. And so when I get that one going, I'll video it and put it up on here. And then, and my next video, I hope to have it up tomorrow, is with it's going to be a vessel. It's going to be unusual wood, and it's made out of the wood that they used to make root beer out of a long time ago. They take the roots of this tree and made root beer out of it. So y'all come and watch, and please subscribe to Gary Mac Studio so that you'll get these notices that on this stuff that I'm coming up with. So y'all be sure and subscribe and hit the likes button, and we'll catch you hopefully tomorrow on that next one. Bye bye.